I'm Sarah Geronimo and you're watching Cosmo TV. First, I'm happy to be on the cover, and I'd like to thank all the Cosmo readers for requesting me to be on the cover. Maraming salamat po. Yes, oo, especially pagka mga tight shots, pagka close-ups, extreme close-ups, talagang na natitense ako kasi syempre kita-kita talaga yung mukha ko, hindi ako, or especially kapag the photographer is requesting me to do a frontal shot, parang syempre frontal yan, kitang-kita talaga. So siguro the very first time I've performed at the Araneta Coliseum, yung first major solo concert ko at the Araneta. It was my first time to perform at Vic Dome. At saka, yung voice ko, parang I was well prepared. Parang ganadong-ganado ako. Yung voice ko, ang ganda, kondisyon. So, memorable sa akin yung gabi. Parang every Filipino is passionate about music. Siguro kung aspiring singer talaga sila, I would advise na they take voice lessons. Kasi iba talaga yung pagka may formal voice lessons ka, you learn the proper technique in singing. Siyempre, it also boosts your confidence kasi alam mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka lang basta kumakanta or bumibirit. So, ayun. At saka, practice. Practice makes perfect. Kanta lang sila ng kanta. I see to it na before I go to bed, dapat talagang malinis yung mukha ko. I wash my face. Talagang walang makeup na naiiwan. Tapos, toner, tapos moisturizer lang po. Listening to my favorite music, to my favorite songs. Ayan. Pampatanggal ng stress ko yan. At saka yung mga dogs, yung mga alaga kong nagkakita ng mga Yorkie. I shampoo my hair twice kasi may tendency din siya minsan na parang mag-oily, ganyan. So, ayun, shampoo ko twice. At saka medyo marami ako mag-shampoo kaya siguro numinipis na. Face powder, lip balm, cheek tint, saka eyebrow pencil. Ayan. Mascara. Beyonce. Yung iba lang yung masyadong sexy, di natin kaya yun. At saka Taylor Swift. Well, he has to be respectful and God-fearing. Ayun. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo gusto natin yung hindi naman ganun kagwapong-gwapo, di ba? Pero yung, siguro yung confident lang about a guy who carries himself well. At saka mabango, di ba? I really enjoy working with him kasi ang gaan niyang katrabaho, masarap kausap, kumbaga hindi nawawalan yun ng kwento eh. Ano lang, hindi mo kailangang magpa-impress sa kanya para pakisamahan ka niya na maayos. Sa una, kasi bago pa lang po kami nagkatrabaho, nakakailang din kasi syempre, yun nga, first time namin magkatrabaho. Tapos, as love team pa, parang ganun. Pero, as time goes on, parang, siya mas nagiging komportable po kami sa isa't isa, mas nakakapag-usap na kami, nagkikwentuhan na, so, mas nagiging masaya na yung pagtatrabaho po namin. Siyempre, si Papa P. Si Piolo Pascual. I want to be able to write my own songs. Sila Rachel, nagawa na yun, sila Mark. They were able to release their own compositions. Looking for love? Don't look for love. Let love look for you. Ayan. Sabi nga yan ni Sir Martin Nievera, hindi po aking galing. It's Sir Martin yan galing.